Hey everybody, it's Jim T with Key, the realtor from BG, coming to you live from the White House in Bowling Green, Ohio. In today's market activity update, we are talking about Northwest Wood County. That's everything north of US 6 and west of State Route 25, excluding areas 53 and 55, which are Perrysburg Township, and Bowling Green, Ohio. And what we're seeing in this area is that we are overall flat on new listings. We had the same amount of new listings last year as we did this year, but pending sales have increased by almost 100%. We have 4 of those listings pending right now and 5 closed sales, which is up 150% from the same time last year. Currently, due to how little or how few we have new listings, it is driving the average purchase price and the median sale price way up. Currently, the average purchase price in this area is $262,000, with the median sale price at $289,900. So when we look at these two numbers, the average indicates what most people, the price range that most people are buying in. The median says that the low tier and the high tier of where people are buying has increased now. So either people are buying more expensive homes or the lesser expensive homes are not as prevalent, and that can drive the numbers up. The most important number to look at, and I think for the long term, this is kind of scary, is the 1.9 months of inventory. Currently, we should be sitting between 4 to 6 months of inventory in order to be at equilibrium, meaning there's equal buyers to sellers. When we're sitting at only 1.9 months, it means it's a great time to be a seller. These trends will likely continue to 20 to 30% increase year over year. However, eventually that model has to flatten out because people will eventually not be able to afford at a certain price point. If you are a buyer, please take advantage of these low interest rates. 2.5% is nothing to joke about. If you've got excellent credit, I've been seeing 2.5% as the low tier for interest, but even 3% is not a bad interest rate in today's market, considering that just a couple years ago it was close to 5. So those extra 2 percentage points can make a huge difference in the amount of home you can afford, and especially if all the experts are correct in predicting that inflation is coming. It's a great way to hedge against inflation. If you have any specific questions about buying or selling a home, Jim T is here to help. I can be reached at area code 419-705-5818. Again, this is Jim T with Key at area code 419-705-5818. It's been an absolute pleasure, folks. I hope you found this video to be interesting and helpful. And if you did, please make sure you subscribe to my channel. That way you don't miss any future content. This has been Jim T with Key, the realtor from BG, signing off from the White House in Bowling Green today. Thanks for watching. I hope you make it a great day.